Hello everyone, welcome to the official channel of agribiz.in. Here is the solution of first agronomy test. Please subscribe our channel to get new updates. Let's start the solution. Question number 1. Yellow revolution represents high production of fish, oilseeds or milk. Correct answer is oilseeds. Yellow revolution represents high production of oilseeds. Question number 2. Most of the plants grow best at which degree centigrade? More than 55 degree, 45 to 55 degree or 15 to 35 degree. Correct answer is 15 to 35 degree. Most of the plants grow best at 15 to 35 degree centigrade. Cultivation of plants in soil is known as aeroponics, hydroponics or geoponics. The correct answer is geoponics. Cultivation of plants in soil is known as geoponics. Question number 4. The rate of chemical reaction may be doubled or even more for every 10 degrees centigrade increase in temperature is known as cardinal temperature, Cotton 10 or CR 10. The correct answer is Cotton 10. The rate of chemical reaction may be doubled or even more for every 10 degree increase in temperature is known as Cotton 10. Question number 5. Injury to plants caused by lifting upward of the plants along with soil from its normal position in temperate region is known as chilling, heat injury or having. The correct answer is having. Injury to plants caused by lifting upward of the plants along with soil from its normal position in temperate region is known as having. Question number 6. The plants requires less than 10 hours of illumination are known as which plants? Short day plants, long day plants or day neutral? The correct answer is short day plants. The plants requires less than 10 hours of illuminations are known as short day plants. Question number 7. Who is considered as the father of tillage? Mendel, Jethro Tull or Borlaug? The correct answer is Jethro Tull. Jethro Tull is considered as the father of tillage. Question number 8. What is the photosynthetic active? Which is the photosynthetic active radiation? CO2, O2 or VIBGYOR? VIBGYOR is the correct answer. VIBGYOR is the photosynthetic active radiation. Question number 9. Gujarat is divided into how many agroclimatic zones? 15, 8 or 13? The correct answer is 8. Gujarat is divided into 8 agroclimatic zones. Question number 10. Loss of water from plant leaves is known as transpiration, respiration or evaporation. The correct answer is transpiration. Loss of water from plant leaves is known as transpiration. Question number 11. Indian Agricultural Research Institute is popularly known as ICAR, Usha Institute or Royal Commission. The correct answer is Usha Institute. Indian Agricultural Research Institute is popularly known as Usha Institute. Question number 12. The response of plants to the relative length of day and night is called as thermoperiodism, photoperiodism, light intensity. The correct answer is photoperiodism. The response of plants to the relative length of day and night is called photoperiodism. Question number 13. Water is an essential part of cell, protoplast, protoplasm. The correct answer is protoplasm. Water is an essential part of protoplasm. Question number 14. Injury caused to the plants due to low temperature is termed as suffocation, chilling injury or freezing injury. The correct answer is chilling injury. Injury caused to the plants due to low temperature is termed as chilling injury. Question number 15. Early maturity and resistance to logging are the characters governed by which factor? Internal factor, external factor, or climatic factor? The correct answer is internal factor. Early maturity and resistance to logging are the characters governed by internal factors. Question number 16. When legume and cereals are grown together, mutual benefits results in higher yield production. The effect is known as which effect? Antagonistic effect, mutual effect, or synergistic effect? The correct answer is synergistic. When legumes and cereals are grown together, mutual benefit results in higher yield. The effect is known as synergistic effect. Question number 17. What is accumulated in poorly aerated soil, which is detrimental to roots? SO2, CO2, or O2? Correct answer is CO2. CO2 is accumulated in poorly aerated soil, which is detrimental to roots. Question number 18. At low pH, what gets fixed in soil? Nitrogen, phosphorus, or climatic? The correct answer is phosphorus. At low pH, phosphorus gets fixed in soil. Question number 19. What helps in aeration and drainage of the soil? Earthworm, fungi, or nematode? The correct answer is earthworm. Earthworm helps in aeration and drainage of the soil. Question number 20. Tillage operation carried out before sowing the crop is known as off-season tillage, preparatory tillage, or interculturing. The correct answer is preparatory tillage. Tillage operation carried out before sowing the crop is known as preparatory tillage. Question number 21. What is main operation done in tuber crops to provide more soil volume? Interculturing, tillage, or earthing up? The correct answer is earthing up. Earthing up is the main operation done in tuber crops to provide more soil volume. Question number 22. At a wider spacing, the plant population will be low, higher, or optimum. The correct answer is low. At wider spacing, the plant population will be low. Question number 23. Broadcasting method of showing results into which geometry? Random, rectangular, or triangle? The correct answer is random geometry. Broadcasting method of showing results into random geometry. Question number 24. The process of putting seeds or seedlings in gappy field to maintain optimum plant population is known as thinning, gap filling, or uprooting. The correct answer is gap filling. The process of putting seeds or seedlings in gappy field to maintain optimum plant population is known as gap filling. Question number 25. Sprinkler method of irrigation is used in which control? Fog, mist, or frost? Correct answer is frost. Sprinkler method of irrigation is useful in frost control.